Hey, if you don't have a lot of time for cardio, then I got you covered. Today, we're gonna do a 6-minute follow-along workout where we're gonna do 4 moves for just 30 seconds each. So we're gonna start with a squat to calf raise. We're gonna do some high knee twists, then fast feet, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish off with some half jacks. All right, let's get into this. All right, so first up, we have a squat to calf raise. So we're gonna squat down and just come up on our toes. Now I like this because we're taking the impact out of this move. So maybe you've seen before like a squat jump. Well, this is a great way to do this move, get that whole body working the legs, working that cardio here. So you do wanna get those arms moving. We're gonna squat, we're gonna reach up nice and tall. And once you get this down, you can pick that pace up a little bit. All right, we got about 3 more seconds. All right, from there, high knee twists. So we're gonna bring those knees up as high as you can, like a high march. I want you to really get them up there. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little twist with that upper body. This is gonna get your balance working, your core working with this at the same time. Now you'll notice for a lot of these moves, I'm moving my arms too. To really get the most cardio out of this, it's not just moving those legs, but getting that upper body doing some work as well. All right, we got 3, 2, last one. All right, from there, we're gonna go fast feet. So we're gonna get those feet going nice and quick here. Just small movements, again, to keep this low impact. You're gonna be driving those arms. Again, we're not just letting them hang like little noodles at our side. Get those arms pumping, get those feet going as fast as you can. The difference with this and the last one is I don't want you to raise those legs really high. I want you to keep it very small, little teeny tiny baby steps here. All right, 5 seconds, you guys. Push yourself, come on. You got it. All right, last up, half jack. So if regular jacks, make you gotta pee, well, here you go. This is a great alternative where we're gonna step out side to side and just bring those arms to shoulder height, okay? This will help protect those shoulders, keep that neck relaxed, okay, so we're not causing any pain or aggravation there. And I'm just going as quick as I can, really trying to pump those arms, get those legs moving, and getting that heart rate up. All right, 3, 2, 1, woo! All right, so that was just 1 round. What you're gonna do is go ahead and back it up, repeat 2 more times for your nice quick 6-minute workout. All right, now this is just cardio. You gotta make sure you're getting in strength training too. And we put together all kinds of follow-along workouts. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those. All right, Coach Becky, we'll see you next time.